Thank you so much for joining me in this video series. Today, we are going to talk about open houses as a lead generation tool, not only for real estate agents, but also for solar professionals. Of course, as a real estate agent, open houses are a fantastic way to get buyers and sellers because with an open house, you can canvas the neighborhood. You can talk to people that are neighbors, that are looky loos, that are visiting the neighborhood, family members of people that live there, anybody that's basically in the vicinity of the house that's for sale. And you can let them know, hey, I am a real estate agent and this house is for sale. Open houses as a lead generation tool are probably one of my favorite. Of course, we do have some advanced scripting that we cover with our agents that this video is not going to cover because that would make it way too long. But open houses are probably my primary way to generate leads for my team because I think it's very effective. Now, how do you get an open house? Number one, if you have your own listings, hold it open. That's, of course, number one. Number two, ask agents that you have a relationship with in your local office. Hey, can I hold your listing open this weekend? Would you mind? Hey, are you holding an open house? Is he going to be busy? Do you need a second agent there? Number three, ask agents of other brokerages if you can hold their listings open. Now, how do you do that? Easiest way, go on the MLS. Look for houses that have been in the market between 7 and 14 days. Go ahead and call those agents, or I guess really 0 and 14 days. Call those agents and just say, do you want to take the weekend off? I noticed you have 6 listings. Are all of those being held open this weekend? Can I hold one of your listings open? Next thing with open houses, signs. Okay. I recommend putting out 20 to 30 signs, but that's, of course, another video. Make sure that you have your flyers for your open house, your flyer about you, your signs ready, show up on time, and never close your open house early. For my solar professionals, why are open houses good for you? Open houses are a great way for you to leverage real estate agents for your business. If you are a trusted solar professional, go to that open house and have a conversation with that real estate agent about how you can protect their clients from bad solar salespeople. So, this has been lead generation way number one of our 105 lead gen. I look forward to talking to you. Let me know if you need any help. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. My name is Zachary Bach. There's 104 more videos just like this one about generating leads. If you're a salesperson, solar or real estate, and you do not feel like you're getting the training, the support, and quite frankly, the paychecks that you deserve, let's have a chat about our team and the way that we do business and the support that we provide to our salespeople. Have a great day, and I hope to talk to you soon.